Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Monday, March 16th, 2026. I hope you're having a great day. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about how beginners can start with this turnkey system. But before I get started, if this is your first time to my channel, welcome. I've been involved in the work from home space for 20 years now. Been helping people supplement or replace their income full-time since 2018. And I just wanted to do this video today simply because a couple of people had reached out and asked me if this turnkey system that I've been talking about is newbie friendly, and it absolutely is. So what I've been talking about is that I've been talking about this new turnkey system, and it's specifically designed for newbies, all right, people who are just starting out in the work from home space. But with that being said, it's also for anybody who's been involved in the work from home space. So it doesn't matter if you're just starting out or if you're somebody like me who's been involved in this industry for a long time. It works for anybody, okay? And the cool thing is that it's so simple to do, all right? All you're doing is you join, you set up your turnkey system. It takes less than 5 minutes, and then you drive traffic over to your turnkey system. Okay, and how I drive traffic is through Facebook, YouTube, and direct mail, right? Like, I'm headed to the post office and I got stacks of these letters going out, right? That's one stack. I got several of these stacks going out in the mail that have information about this turnkey system. And then on my Facebook and YouTube, I create content. All right, so I'm doing this video right now talking about the system. In my YouTube community, I make posts showing results that I'm getting from the system. And then I do the same thing over on Facebook. You know, I'm showing results that I'm getting, and I'm creating content about it. And that's all that I'm doing. Because once somebody visits the system takes over and does all the selling and telling for me. All right, you don't have to worry about setting up capture pages, creating sales pages, worrying about writing follow-up emails. Everything is done for you. All right, and it's backed by a 10-year-old company with transparent owners who've done everything for you. So, I mean, literally all you have to do is send traffic. And another nice thing is that we show you how to get free and paid traffic inside once you join. All right, now I've been doing YouTube and Facebook and direct mail for a long time, so that's what I'm used to, that's what I know works, and that's what I use. But if you're into, if you want quicker results, you can do paid traffic, you can do ads, you can do solo ads. There's all kinds of different ways to do that, but I just stick with the with what I'm doing because I know that's what works, and that's what I teach people who join me what to do. Okay, so if you join me in this, you get my resource page. These are my bonuses. I have a resource page with over 80 different places that you can share your turnkey system online. 99% of those places are free. You're going to get my letter template that I use in all my letters that I mail out. Okay, and you're going to get my contact information so you can reach out to me anytime you have any questions or need any assistance. So that is what I offer for bonuses. I am a real person. I do answer the phone when people call me. I do get back and reply to emails. I might not answer the phone right away or reply to your email right away, but I always get back to everybody who reaches out to me. But that's it. You join the system, you set up your personal link, you drive traffic. The system does everything for you. You can earn 80% commissions on all of our products, and you can earn up to, and we also have a higher ticket product where you can earn a one-time $400 commission. And then you can earn up to $128 per month per referral in monthly residual income. So it's just a really awesome opportunity. It works, and then inside we have a community, our own social group like Facebook, and we have weekly trainings, 5 days a week, live trainings, and you can't get any better, right? I've been doing this for 20 years. This is by far the best opportunity, and best platform, best business owners, best everything, right? The owners haven't changed their comp plan in 10 years. They're always coming up with new things to make it better for everybody. and it's just top of the line, in my opinion. So that's what I'm doing. If you want more information, go to joinruss.com. All right, joinruss.com. Check it out. Reach out to me if you have any questions. But that's it. And just a little disclaimer: there's no system is magic. All right, you do have to put in work. I can't guarantee that you're going to make any money if you join this, but if you know, because it's dependent on your work ethic. But if you join and take action and follow what, you know, the training inside, and then what I teach you, you know, as long as you show up every day, take action, and stay consistent, it's almost impossible to not get results using this new turnkey system. Okay, so that's it for today. I hope you all have a great day. It's going to be raining here, windy out later tonight, but we'll get through it, and I hope you have a great day. So I appreciate each and every one of you. I look forward to seeing you in my next video, and until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Thanks for watching.